Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing Netflix error code UI-800-3 on your TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 2. Open the Netflix app on your TV and try to play content again. If the error persists, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Navigate to your TV's settings menu and locate the Netflix app in the list of installed applications. Step 4. Select Clear Cache or Clear Data for the Netflix app. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the error. Step 5. If clearing cache does not work, uninstall the Netflix app completely from your TV by selecting Uninstall or Delete. Step 6. Restart your TV by turning it off and on again to ensure all changes take effect. Step 7. Reinstall the Netflix app from your TV's App Store. Open the App Store, search for Netflix, and download the latest version. Step 8. Log in to Netflix with your account credentials and test the service. The error UI-800-3 should now be resolved, and streaming should work normally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.